What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as somebody who makes videos, it's always difficult. It doesn't matter how long you make videos for. Like, at some point you get comfortable with it, but at the cusp of making videos, it is still weird to film in public. And I'm gonna try to break that mold. So I'm gonna be working on trying to film more outside of like the garage, outside of the mod garage, more outside of like just being in the car and whatnot, and try to get a little bit more comfortable with the camera. Like, even though I've been making videos for like a year now, it's still weird. So I was talking to Melanie and she was like, you should start like trying to vlog. So I'm just gonna give it a whirl and see what happens, see how it goes. I've done like half-assed vlogs in the past, but it's like I've never put like full momentum into it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I gotta go drop off a couple orders for you guys that you guys bought on the website over at the post office. Probably snag a coffee too. I think Matt's wheels get delivered today too, which would be kind of nice. Still waiting on parts to come in for the 05 STI, but like the majority of the videos that I've been doing have been primarily install videos, discussion videos in the past, and I wanna try to break the mold. I wanna try to get outside of just doing that. So that's what I'm gonna try today. If this video makes it to YouTube, then this video is a success. If this video never makes it to YouTube, then you'll never see it. So, I don't know. Let's go drive to the post office, go drop off some orders. Perfect. And so yesterday I hopped on Copart and I signed up for a Copart membership. If you don't know what it is, they sell like salvage title, like crashed cars and whatnot, just to try to find like the next project car within like a reasonable budget, so that way we're not spending like out the ass in a used car market right now for a new car. And if I win this, that'd be dope. So I found this Crosstrek that I'm bidding on. I don't know why I'm bidding on it. Like, this is just the first car that I came across that I actually looked decent, that I'd actually mind like fixing up and getting back on the road. We could do a Crosstrek build on the channel if we win this. It'd be kind of dope, right? Like, the only thing wrong with it seems to be some front end damage, which I feel like we could easily fix up. I'm fully anticipating on losing the Crosstrek bid, but I've never bid on Copart before, so it's a learning experience with Copart. It's a learning experience, but let's go grab a coffee, swing back to the house. I need to disassemble an engine stand because I need to bring that up to the mod garage tomorrow. Because I'm doing 3 engine builds at once. It's just, it gets hard to keep track of them all, and I need more engine stands. I need coffee. What are you doing? Can you figure out how to park? This has been like a 10-point turn for parking, lady. What is happening over here? Where are you backing up to, Grandpa? I can't tell if he's parking there. Grandpa. Grandpa. Bro, like, come on, man. Don't do it. Oh my God, bro. Bro, who taught you to drive? Why are we honking? What are you honking at? Back at the house, I just decided to say kind of f it, and I'm just gonna go to the mod garage, pull this engine that I have to get pulled, so that way I can get the heads. I have 2 sets of heads I have to go get dropped off at Heads Up tomorrow, the head machine shop, the machine shop for the head, so I just disassembled the engine stand. I don't know, it's just a weird day. Let's just go swing up there and go pull an engine out of a Subaru. I didn't want to today, but let's get it done with. So we have made it up to the mod garage. I feel like I've been in a funk the past like week for some reason. I don't know why, it's just, it feels that way. So I've got the STI right here behind me. I'm not working on the lift today. There's a set of quick jacks over here, which actually makes life a little bit easier to get this thing pulled out. I'll show you guys what I got done last week because I haven't even shown you guys this car. It's another 05 STI, just like Karma. So this should be a pretty similar and straightforward build. So here is the 05 STI we're pulling the engine out of today. So this is one that I started on last week. I've already gone through, I got the exhaust manifold out, the turbo out, the downpipe off, the intake manifold out, the fuel rails, all that stuff is already out of here. So this car is getting a Cobb 20G, Cobb downpipe. I think it's got Tomei headers, Tomei up pipe, all that kind of stuff like that. So it should be making around 400 to 420 when it's done. I've been doing a lot of these builds that come out to about 400 horsepower, 450, somewhere within that range. And I want to do one that kind of turns it up a little bit, which is why we're doing Karma out there. and sending that car to the moon. So I'm ready to get the engine out of this thing. It's gonna be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Starter comes out, clutch fork comes out, undo all the bolts that hold the engine to the transmission, the bell housing bolts, pretty similar. I've shown you guys how to pull these out numerous times. So let's just get this thing yeeted out of here, because I've got some other stuff that I gotta do tonight. I'd like to get these heads off so that way I can drop these heads off at Heads Up tomorrow with Mittens heads, the Outback, or the Legacy that we have blown up outside of the house right now. So let's get this thing torn out of here real quick. Don't know how, but it happens every time. I get dirty as hell. Don't know how. Every single time. I don't even touch my face and somehow it gets dirty. So engine's out, chilling right there. I found like a dead bird sized piece of clutch in the transmission, so that was fun to like scoop out of there. It was very powdery and very feathery, but now that we have the engine out, let's get the heads torn off this thing so that way I can get these dropped off at the machine shop tomorrow, because I don't want to have to come back up here and like mess with this engine if I don't have to. So, heads are all torn down for this STI, which is nice. Get those dropped off tomorrow at the machine shop, drop off Mittens heads tomorrow. Brian ordered dinner for us too, some Cheesecake Factory, which I will never say no to. Some like nice big bacon cheeseburger coming. Oh. So as per usual, got everything laid out, everything sorted, everything good to go. I'll get these tossed in some bags here in a little bit. I think this short block is going in the scrap bin, so I mean, we have no use for these anymore. We have so many short blocks laying around. A lot of people ask me if I have a ton of short blocks. I do. If you're in the local area and you might want one, let me know and I can set you up with a short block. But that one's going in the scrap bin. Nothing wrong with it, just going in the scrap bin. Some of you guys are gonna be really upset with me here. So we had our burgers, whatnot, we ate our food. I got the heads bagged up, got them thrown in the STI, and well, I ordered some wrap. I took into consideration everything that you guys said in the last video about what color. I think you guys will like it. Some of you guys are gonna hate me. You're not gonna hate me, you're gonna hate the color, but I'm gonna change your minds. I'm gonna change all of your guys' minds, and they are being stupid loud over there. There's a Fiesta ST in here, and they're like fixing one of the bolts. Yeah, I got it. Just a hammer. I'm gonna let it fall on the ground. Oh God, dude, I wasn't even looking. You almost hit me in the nuts with that. Oh my God. This is mine now. This is mine. Dude, you almost hit me in the nuts.
The camera blocked it perfectly.
Oh my God.
You couldn't even see it coming at you.
Yeah, you threw a hammer at my nuts.
Don't use all my gloves.
I'm gonna use them all now. Brian, how are you?
Great. How are you, Tanner?
I'm all right.
Awesome. That's the most important
I'm so
thing.
glad that you're comfortable with being in front of a camera now.
Yeah, I love it.
Because before you used to fucking run and hide.
Oh yeah. You
used to run and hide, Brian.
Yeah.
Now look at you. You're doing great. If you guys need to order parts, send him a message.
I'm ready.
Are you actually?
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, he actually is. He has his messenger open. He's ready. A lot of people, so actually real quick, since I'm up here and this is like a vlog day, if you guys are trying to order parts from the Mod Garage, like this glorious place where they have all these parts and whatnot, don't go on the website. Your website sucks. Just message this man or his sales team. Brian just ordered us the wrap. It's gonna be a pristine color. I can't wait. Some people are gonna hate the color.
Whatever.
It's gonna look so good.
It's gonna pop.
I can't wait. All right, let's go jet back down to the house. Why are you staring at me? Why do you feel the need to stare at me when I'm talking to a camera?
That makes you uncomfortable?
It doesn't. You just staring. Like, I'll make eye contact with you, Kyle. I just gotta move the camera right here. Now it looks like I'm looking at the camera. All right, we're gonna swing back down to the house. I gotta grab Melanie and I some coffee because she wants one. And I wanna show her the color. I wanna show her, and Matt, I wanna show them both the color of the wrap that we got because it's... Oh yeah! Oh yeah! It's pristine! Just got the car unloaded with everything, got 2 cylinder heads. I have 4 cylinder heads that I gotta go drop off tomorrow. That's a lot of cylinder heads, but got everything unloaded from the car. A ton of stuff in there for some reason, don't know why it's so much, but pretty happy with the outcome of today. Got a lot of stuff knocked out that I was gonna put off till tomorrow, but I just decided, hey, I'm not doing anything today. I need to go get this stuff done, so why not just do it today? Better do it today than better do it tomorrow, because there's always more stuff that I gotta do tomorrow, but I'm glad all that's done. I did want to touch on something because a lot of you guys, like, messages, comments, even in person, people say, hey, I want to be able to, like, do the stuff that you're able to do, like pull engines, disassemble cylinder heads, wrap cars, like random stuff like that, like stuff that I do on the channel that a lot of people don't feel comfortable doing. I say, like, the best way for you guys to be able to, like, do this stuff is just do it. Like, there's a point in time, and there's still plenty of things that I have no idea how to do that I'm still going to end up doing. That just, you have to have a positive mindset when going into things and knocking this stuff out. Like, as cringy and as, like, cliche as it seems, like, I listen to, like, a lot of, like, motivational, like, videos whenever I'm, like, just driving or, like, just working. I'll pop, like, headphones in or something along those lines, or when it's time-lapsing, just so that way you guys can't obviously judge my audio choices. It's kind of, I guess it's kind of like podcast stuff like that, but it just, like, it gets you in a mindset where you're just like, I can do this, and nothing's going to stop me from being able to do this. But just, I don't know, try it. I mean, it might work for you guys. Like, there was a time in life when I was just like, I don't want to do anything, I don't know how to do this stuff. I would come home from work and just, like, nap, and I would just, like, never get anything done, and I just hated it. I hated life because I just couldn't get into it. Was, like, such just a negative mindset. As soon as you, like, can get in your mind and flip that to a positive, which it's much easier said than done. I totally understand, I totally get it, but you guys can do it. If you guys just keep, like, get in the mindset of you can do it, you can totally do it. But that's really all I got for you guys on this one. So kind of like a practice vlog style video, I guess. Like, I don't know how to do vlog videos. I can do install videos, I can do discussion videos, I can do, like, half vlog videos, but it's like, it's very difficult to just do a vlog video for me because I always feel like the videos suck. And I felt like that the past couple weeks where, like, all the videos I've been putting out just, like, suck for some reason. Like, the biggest critic you have when making videos or content, or just, like, Instagram, anything that you create, the biggest critic's always gonna be yourself. Like, some of you guys may absolutely just hate the stuff, and I can see it. Like, I see people, like, well, I don't know who it is, but there's always, like, consistently the 1 to 2 downvotes on, like, every single video, sometimes more than that, depending on, like, what the video title is or anything like that. And, like, you're just always your biggest critic. So I'm trying to, like, work on it, find a way to spice things up a little bit, because I'm not happy with the videos that I'm making. I just feel like they just don't have the flair that I want out of them, but I'll get there. If you guys bear with me, we'll get there. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but we'll get there. Anyways, that's all I really got for you guys on this one. Super excited that the wrap has been ordered for the 05 STI. We have a plethora of parts in front of me that I'm looking at for both cars. It's insane. Like, once I actually get all the stuff to be able to, like, do all of the things that I have in front of me, it's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be great. I cannot wait. The total aspect of the 05 STI is totally gonna change into something that I never projected it to be, because I always wanted that car to just be a daily driver. And we all know how that went, didn't we? But it's exciting stuff coming. I don't know when. I know some stuff shows up this week. I know some stuff shows up next week. Hopefully soon. Haven't heard anything back from Outfront or the fabricator on any of the engine build stuff or the fabrication stuff. So as soon as I do, I will keep you guys in touch on that. But anyways, like I said, that's all I got for you guys on this one. So if you liked the video, if you're bearing with me, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button, turn it black, blue, green, yellow, purple, silver, cyan color of the day. I'm not going to tell you the color of the day, because if I did that, it would give away the wrap color for the 05 STI. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to be, and you want to bear with us too, go ahead, hit that button. One of these corners, no idea which one I'm going to put it in quite yet. And with that though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo!